Forever faster means for us we want to be the fastest sports brands in the world. We want to react fast to consumer trends. We want to be fast in decision making, but also we want to have the fastest supply chain in our industry. The challenge for us was to implement the latest and greatest state-of-the-art warehouse management system across a variety of different warehouses, from small to big, from very simple to complex, and this across 3 different regions, also keeping in mind that we might want to roll out this to even more regions, and that's a challenge we're facing, also with a very tight timeline behind, and that's why we approached Reply.
First of all, we identified the needs and defined the larger scope of the project. Then we worked on the international rollout, covering end-to-end processes from functional needs. We work as global logistics team with continuous alignment with local stakeholders using recurring meetings and project newsletters to better manage the change process and ensure the creation of a global solution.
We reached out to Logistics Reply because we were looking for a partner who can roll out and support a warehouse management system around the globe to make sure that we can react very quickly to any consumer trends in the best possible way to ensure that we deliver the best possible service from our warehouse.
We proposed to approach the project based on a template definition by following an incremental approach. In this way, we were able to move faster to reach the goal of going live with the first site, but at the same time, we continue with the evolution of the template to address the requirement for more complex and additional sites, still targeting the definition of a single solution for PUMA.
We defined and realized the first version of the solution in a few months, and we were able to successfully roll out in this first site in Austria. In just 2 weeks, we were able to bring the same template approach to activate a second site in Austria too. These 2 initiatives are part of a bigger multi-year program for the international adoption of the LEA Reply WMS solution.
LEA Reply is able to cover both small and large, simple and complex warehouses that supply both stores and e-commerce, and follow the growth in size and complexity. LEA Reply will also grant the seamless integration of warehouse automation technologies, as well as the optimization of opportunities powered by AI and machine learning.
Thanks to the LEA Reply platform, we were able to speed up the build and configuration of the solution. Thanks to its simplicity, we were able to speed up and ease the rollouts and onboarding of people. Adopting LEA as a software-as-a-service solution, we are able to scale it to follow business peaks and seasonality.
In the context of growing volumes, higher expectations on service levels, and on the other side, shortages of resources, such as space and labor force, the challenge will be to evolve the defined template in order to integrate automatic warehouse solution and to include other components of the LEA Reply suite of services, supporting and addressing these needs by improving the planning of resources and introducing optimization tools.
Between 2024 and 2025, LEA will cover up to 11 countries across 3 regions, EMEA, CEE and Oceania. We want LEA to be the solution to cover any needs that may arise in the future as a part of PUMA's digital transformation journey, as well as the global expansion. Furthermore, it will be important for us to be ahead of the game if it comes to automation.